Hi guys, today I will explain about how to export a theme on Shopify. This process is simple and easy, and what you have to do, just sign in your account and when you will see the same interface like me. And this one is the whole page of my Shopify store, and I can do multiple things. Like here you can see get ready to sell, I can add my product with the picture, I can sell. But here we are talking about be exporting theme on Shopify. So take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options. From these, you have to select the option Online Store. When you will click on the option Online Store, it will be automatically directed to the theme. But if it will not, then click on this theme and you will be redirected to the same page. Now here are themes, scroll down, and here is my current theme. If you want to add more, then scroll down, and here you will see some themes. You can also visit theme store to expand more themes. But like we want to export, so I will export what I had now. So let's scroll up and tap on the three dots. And here you can see the option of download theme file. Simply click on it. Once you will click on it, here you can see your theme file will be emailed to your desired account by which you create your Shopify. Click on the option send email. Then theme will be sent to your email address. Then you can get the download that from your email address. And it was the way by which you can export your theme.